You're not at the front of the pack, that's why.
Hell, then we're not rolling, are we? The mouth is rolling, what the hell? Like a fucking avalanche.
Patience, Grasshopper, patience. All right.
Do y'all fucking stop and look and take a good long look.
And our stop there at the Pilot, Flying J. It is 4:28 in the afternoon. So not too bad of a day. If we didn't have to stop for that accident, we would have been there already. But whatever. We got about, I don't know, it's like 53 miles to go in the morning to get to our delivery in Irving, Texas. Not too bad of a day, just boring, boring, and boring. Now the most excitement I had all day was, doing my pre-trip and getting over Raton Pass. Other than that, there's not a whole lot of excitement today. Hey, Mr. Sheriff. Turning traffic ahead. Like I said, we got about just a little under half an hour to get to where we need to go. So not too bad. We'll get ourselves a nice, good old shower, hopefully. Keep the fingers crossed on that, you never know. Apparently we didn't look too suspicious because Wise County Sheriff decided he's not going to follow me.
Proceed to the highlighted route. Continue on this road for 29 miles.
There, ready? We got something up on the right side here. So we're going to get over as nice and early as possible so we have less problems going by. It's all depending on what these four-wheelers behind me are going to do. Even though they can see it, one guy moving over to the right side, even though he can see this traffic, this police officer ahead, no. Yeah, go ahead, eastbound. Yeah, I saw the old Wise County having the troopers out and about, so not a problem. Thank you. Here we are. Yeah, shrink wrap wasn't done too well. It's peeling a little bit. See if we can't throw some tape on that. Yeah, shrink wrap's coming off of here. I don't know if the cold temperatures had anything to do with that, but not as good as it was in previous trips. But we're in our spot. Left more than enough room for anybody to get around us. Not a problem.